I'm Caleb. This is Ben. We're some of the Black Hat Brothers.
You might have noticed Luke is not with us, and in this video he will not be featured, but don't worry, he'll be in our next video. He unfortunately wasn't able to make this one, but we are really excited for this video. We have something a little bit different to show you. Hope you enjoy it. What's up guys, Black Hat Brothers here, Caden Woosley Unleashed. We are doing a collaborative last to leave challenge, and this time it is last to leave your bed wins $1,500, which I'm going to show you right here. As you can see, they are put into 3 stacks. Each of us gets $500 to spend on stuff to keep us in the game. Let's say you want to go get some lunch or something. The other 2 people will decide how much getting lunch costs, and then that is the set price for the entire game. So I hope you have that much. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you touch the floor, you're out. Let's see how this goes. By the way, none of us have eaten breakfast, so hopefully we'll get hungry and like Caleb will have to leave or something. I don't know, we'll find out.
I have all of the Hunger Games.
Yeah.
This whole entire episode is just gonna be us making cringy jokes, and the audience is like, what?
Subscribe for more cringy jokes.
Yeah.
You literally just gonna read the Hunger Games?
Yeah.
So
smart.
Oh, by the way,
My
no
next
messing with your
series.
phones
It's your what?
unless you're
My
filming
next
yourself.
series. Let's cover up the mattress. She must have had bad dreams and climbed in with our mother. Of course she did. Tonight the jack-o'-lanterns will come out. They will eat you and tear your giblets hard broth.
Are you sure this is Hunger Games?
Yeah.
You know, I'm never gonna win a last leave challenge because I just have to pee constantly.
have to pee.
Why'd you say that so quietly? Alright, peeing is $100.
500.
Pooping is $200.
500.
No, Caleb, come
490.
on. No, peeing is $100.
Honestly, I might take
Pooping
it.
is $200.
It's 500.
No, I don't agree. Alright, we split it down the middle. I said 100 and he said 500. So it goes to $300 to pee, $400 to poop. I grabbed this from in the drawer. If I solve it in under 2 minutes, will you give me 100 of your dollars?
No.
Why?
Because I know you're really good at solving Rubik's Cube.
Alright, let's see how this goes. What? I just forgot how to solve Rubik's.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Oh yeah, you do it like this. I forgot. Whoa!
Take stuff.
Roasted. I don't remember making a rule.
If that's a rule, don't come near me. Dang it!
Stay away.
Oh, this was like a friendly competition.
There's $1,500 on the line, bro.
No!
Oh! Yeah! Whoa! I thought I was gonna fall or something. That was
Wait,
scary.
if you touch my bed, aren't you out?
No, you can touch everything but the ground. Don't you dare. If
No.
you cause somebody to fall off, you're out.
I want to lay down, but I feel like I can't, because then they're just going to take my stuff.
That is very true.
All my stuff is just in the corner right now, because Caleb freaking stole it. Hey Ben, can I, like, make a treaty that if I lay down, you won't take my stuff?
Alright, we will make a treaty. If you give me 5 of your dollars, I will not steal any of your stuff for the rest of the thing.
$5?
No, 10. 10
You
of your
said
dollars.
5.
But now I'm saying 10.
I'll do it. For 4.
Oh, you got yourself a deal, my friend.
Alright.
No.
Wait,
Alright.
you shook my hand, so is that $4 dues?
Yeah, $4. Alright, Caleb. We have a proposition for you. A proposition?
A preposition?
We would like to offer you $500 guaranteed. Whoever of us wins has to give you 1/3 of our money, so it's $500. So you're guaranteed to get $500, but you have to step out right now.
I'm gonna win. Y'all have to pee and don't have books.
I don't have to pee, I have to poop.
Even worse.
Yeah, it is.
Ow!
Yeah, that was deserved.
All right, everyone is allowed to make one call or text to one person to keep them sane. Kaden, go first.
I'm calling my mom
Why?
so she can bring me stuff.
His mom doesn't know that we're up here doing this.
Hi, are you at the house right now?
Am I where?
Are you at the house right now?
No, I'm at the Brady's house. Rylan is watering plants and feeding the fish.
Oh, are you gonna be back soon?
Yeah, why?
Okay, when you get back, can you come see us in my room?
What?
Come see you in your room?
Yeah, I need help.
What?
Okay.
We're making a video.
It's not an emergency.
Yeah, this is not an emergency.
You're making it sound like you're like dying or something.
Dad's there if you need him.
I only get one call.
Preserve your life until I get home.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye.
That was the weirdest call.
Alright, Caleb, you get your call.
He's calling Christopher.
His friend.
Yeah. What?
The customer you are calling is not available.
Hello? Me and Caleb and Kaden are doing a last to leave their bed challenge, and whoever lasts the longest gets $1,500. How much is it for you to go? Okay, so we need to figure out a time increment thing. So like if you want to go get food or use the bathroom, how about instead of doing it thing by thing, we just do it by amount of time. So if you pay for 5 minutes of something and you're not back in 5 minutes, you're out.
Every 5 minutes is $100.
$100 for 5 minutes? I'm fine with that. Okay, I am going to pay $100 for 5 minutes. If I'm not back in 5 minutes, I lose.
Even if people talk to you and you go over your time limit, no excuses.
No excuses. If I'm
If
not
you
back
trip and
on
fall and break your leg, you must be back in your bed. You must drag
That's
yourself.
brutal right there.
Or get someone to carry you. 3, 2, 1, as soon as you step off. Addison! Oh, do you want to get me stuff so I can win this challenge?
No. You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Yeah, film it. Don't take down the
Hey
camera.
guys, hit the big red button. Nobody's gonna watch it. I'm sure it's boring.
Well, we cut it and edit it. Well, that wasn't helpful.
Now Ben can't get in.
So, Aiden is literally addicted to Sour Patch Kids, so I'm gonna put these just outside the door and see if I can tempt it to come out. I've got plenty of time, so I'm not gonna be out. Okay. Patch Kids right there if you want to eat them.
Go get it. You can't take my stuff. You made an agreement.
Oh yeah.
25 minutes total. How fast can I poop?
Don't hold it. You're gonna be constipated for the rest of your life.
The rest of your life.
Poop when you have to poop.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, you gave him 2 things.
Because you already got something. He has 2.
I paid for my something. Oh,
half.
thanks. Wait.
You get half and you get water.
Thank you.
Wait. What? Alright, our camera just crashed and we got it back up, so now we're going to continue with the last to leave the bed challenge. So, here's the rule. We are now going to all have to spend the rest of our money to speed things along. All your money goes away if you don't buy something in the next 30 seconds. 5 seconds.
Alright, I know what I'm gonna buy.
Say it fast. 1.
I am going to buy.
Alright, all your money goes in the trash.
That is not what happened. Wait.
I had a 30-second timer. Alright, Caleb, you got 30 seconds. What are you going to buy?
How much is it to listen to podcasts?
To listen to one podcast, you have to pay all your money, right, Caden?
Sure.
$500 to listen to a podcast. Are you going to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, Caleb's $500.
Music or podcast?
Alright, I'm going to spend my $410 to listen to Screaming Goat songs. Just to annoy them. See if I can get them to leave.
Now
Caleb.
it's acting like he's asleep.
Caleb, Caden says you were doing something that you weren't supposed to be doing. What did you do?
Yeah, you're a
Ah!
bad boy.
Now you're a very bad... Caleb, take out your earbuds. Were you texting someone?
That was what we said.
Caleb,
Are you texting someone?
were you texting someone?
Maybe.
Alright, right here I'm going to put a list of all our names. Right here is Caleb. Caleb's name is out. He's been disqualified. Now it's just me and Caden. Let's see what happens. Caleb,
Huh?
give me your bed and I'll give you $500 of the dollars if I win.
Sure.
Okay, but you have to get out of it.
Caleb.
Yes!
Caleb. I'll make you another.
No, you have to get out of it.
Okay, $501.
I'll give you $502.
Deal.
Alright, 650 is enough.
Okay, fine. Give me your second bed.
Why do you want it?
Because I have the ultimate setup. You have to stay there. And I'm free.
Okay.
Everything over here is boring. How did you survive so long, Caleb? Oh wait, you didn't. Oh! This was not worth $650. This is the worst purchase of my life. Also the most expensive purchase of my life, which is not a good combo at all. Alright, Rylan is going to go get some tape. And Caleb is going to make the area we're allowed to be a little bit smaller.
Every 5 minutes it starts to get smaller.
Good grief. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna have a winner soon. What are my restrictions? Where do I have to go? So I can go anywhere but past that little corner?
That corner extended through that area.
Okay.
Move your legs.
No, my pillow.
Oh.
No. Ah.
Alright, so Caden, stay in that section. If he crosses that line, we'll make sure he's out. If I cross that line, I'm out in 5 minutes starting right now. Caleb is going to shorten our requirements even further, so good luck to you all. Alright, it has been 5 minutes. It is now time to downsize yet again.
Alright, have you started the 5 minutes?
Now I have. I'm getting rid of this. This is too risky.
No.
Alright, the final, well, not final necessarily, but we're pretty sure it's going to be final because he literally just made like teeny tiny circles and we are soon going to have to take our hands off the ceiling. Let's just see which one of us falls first. 3, 2, 1, hands off.
Yes! Yes, sir! I am the winner! Yes!
Look at how small my foot space was. I literally had to do that.
Dude,
I
buying
had to go
that
one foot.
$650 extra space was the best move that I have made. That's what won it for me. Honestly, Kane would have had it otherwise. I just had this much more space.
I
That was good
know.
competition.
I guess you're 1-0 in challenges right
Yes,
now.
sir!
Alright, head out for the outro.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe, turn on all notifications so that it lets you know every time we put out a new video. Share it with a friend, enemy, or anybody in between, and click that like button for us. That'll really help us out.
Also, make sure to check out Caden's channel. It'll be linked in the description. He's got a lot of great content, and you might enjoy it.
All right, I think that's all we have for you today. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.